Today, on the Nature Show with Leah, we are discussing what a gazelle is.
I think it's like a horse.
That's closer than your dog
like
guess.
a fast horse. It's like a zebra, but with the stripes. Right?
That's actually
Yes!
really good. But it's not a dog or a hyena.
Well, it probably runs like one.
What's an antelope?
Oh, that's easy.
What?
That is like something also that's like a horse, but it has horns.
Good.
Yes!
What is an ocelot?
Holy shit, I've never heard that word before. Like an ostrich, maybe? A small ostrich?
Describe what an ocelot looks like.
I think it would be like a mix of an ostrich and a lemur. So really
Everything's mixed with a lemur.
I don't know. Zaboomafu's a lemur, I think.
Zaboomafu.
He's got the stripy tail. Really big tail. That he's walking, he's like a little monkey dog, and he's walking and his tail is up over like the fawns and stuff. Right?
The fawns.
Like grass. Like their tail. You just see their tail.
Do you know what a fawn is?
A baby deer.
Yeah.
Or a leaf. A
A
tall leaf.
You mean like ferns? Do you mean ferns?
I think it's also a tall leaf. Called a fawn.
You have a strong accent. Okay, which is bigger, an alligator or a crocodile?
A crocodile.
Good. What is a chinchilla?
A monkey. No. It's like a rodent.
Yeah.
Okay.
What does it look like?
It looks like a guinea pig.
Sort of. What kind of a guinea pig?
Like a mole.
Oh my god!
You know those little moles? They're like a little guinea pig. But hamster, like a hamster meets guinea pig. It's like in between sizes a little bit.
Do you know what a wombat is?
They steal babies.
Wombats do?
Yeah, the wombat stole my baby. You know, from Seinfeld? It's like a kangaroo, I think.
A wombat?
Yeah.
It's just because you know it's from Australia.
Or maybe it's like a koala bear. I don't know.
Do you know what a dingo is?
Oh, maybe it's the dingo stole my baby. That's a dog.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's the dingo stole my baby.
Do you know what
They
a
steal babies.
hedgehog is?
Yes.
Okay. You're so disgusted when you actually know. Do you know what a lemur is?
Yeah, I told you. It's like
Zaboomafu. You always talk about Zaboomafu and these lemurs, but I don't even know if you know what they are.
They've got black eyes, and they look like monkeys, but they also kind of walk like dogs, and they have really long stripy tails.
Pretty close. Lemurs are famous for the way they get around. They actually just jump everywhere.
Okay. Like a monkey.
Do you know what an anteater looks like?
Mhm. Yep, I know that one. It's got a really long nose.
Yep.
Kind of like an
Okay,
armadillo.
we're gonna get into the cats now.
Oh.
Which is the fastest cat?
A cheetah.
Which one lives in the trees?
What are my options? Not a lion, not a tiger. Leopards live in trees.
There you go.
Yeah.
What does a leopard look like?
It's got spots.
Yeah. Holy shit, you know stuff about those.
Because we watch so many shows.
Do you know what a...
I know everything about animals, obviously.
Do you know what a porpoise is?
I think it's a water animal.
A porpoise?
Yeah,
What does it look like?
like a seal.
A porpoise.
Yeah. Oh no, I think I'm thinking of a platypus.
Do you know what a platypus is?
I think it's like a water animal.
Okay, what's in it? What?
It looks like a seal.
What,
But it's flat, kind of like a jellyfish.
a platypus is flat like a jellyfish?
Yeah, I think so. Do you even know?
What other animal? Of course I know what a platypus is.
Well, so it is a water animal?
Yeah, it goes in water. What kind of... I'll give you a hint. A platypus looks like a bunch of different animals. What animals does it look like? It's kind of hard if you don't know what a platypus is.
I think it looks like a hippo. Because they go in the water too. And a seal. And an armadillo.